Oh, brother. Newsflash. Mommy went back to the store and she got a second two-man. There's one two-man, another two-man, and a one-man. And because she did that, oh, she had her heart set on these little paddles so that when you're sitting in here, you can grab it and you can paddle with one of these or even two of them. She got two of them, and these were 16 bucks each. Look at this. I thought it was $16 for the set, but it's only individual because you can get one or two. And that's kind of slick though. They're adjustable. Okay, and I think this one comes out too. Come on. I thought it came out a double one, longer than that. Let's see. I just had this one unscrewed. Does it go out just that far? I thought it went out. It went out another go here. Maybe not. Oh, boy, I thought for sure I had them out twice. Let's see here. Nope. No, maybe not. Well, ain't that something? I thought I had it telescoped out further than this. The first go around. But I guess not. And then to tighten it up, you just turn it and it tightens. Isn't that weird? Boy. And then just turn it hard, and there, you can just use it as a, or take it all the way out. I thought for sure they came out further than this. Come on. Nope. I guess it only comes out once. See, there's two yellow DV bobbers there, but come on, this one's got it. This one comes out. I know it does. There, see? Look at that. I was right. There, that goes down there. Like that. See how long that is? And you just tighten up the end of it. So you can get it out that long or halfway. You can go out just that far if you want. See there? Or you can undo it again. Somehow there at the top. There you go. Kaboom. Okay. So you can get them out as far as you want. $16 per paddle. I don't know. Guess that's what Mommy wanted. What Mommy wants, Mommy gets. And just turn it. There. Loosen it up, turn it to the left a little bit, and then you can get it down, and then turn it to the right, and it tightens up. Okay? So she's gonna take those with her on using it with this. You don't need. See, they're gonna just sit here like this or like that. You could take the paddle in both hands for a single one or whatever. You know, for the two-man, you can take these two. So that's what she wanted to do. So we got them. And you know what? Just going down the river one time, she saved money. Okay, what was this? Even now there's enough for 5 people to go. And it's $45 per person to go down the Truckee River up by Lake Tahoe. At the outlet of Lake Tahoe, there's a place there that rents rafts, and I looked it up on the internet. $45 per adult, $35 per child. And I don't know how old the child goes up to, but let's just say you've got 4 adults at $45 each. 90, that's 180, and one child, let's say, 180, 190, $215 it would cost for just one time going down the river. And instead, she got 2 rafts and 1 single, $40 each, so that's 80 and $20, there's $100, and the pump was another $20. So there's, geez, 40, 80, 100, 20, and 2 paddles, $150 instead of over $200 if you were to go just one time down there with rafts, you know, by renting. And the good thing with this is, the other thing obviously you need is 2 cars. You've got to drop 1 car downstream, 1 car upstream, but at least you don't have to wait for the crowds, wait in line, and then wait for somebody to take you back up to the car, wait for the bus and all that kind of stuff, okay? And maybe this will last us, who knows, 8 or 9 times down the river or longer, okay? So think about something like this next time you want to go down the river. All right, I'm going to deflate this now, and we'll see how long it takes to deflate. It shouldn't take very long. This is just for the headrest. You just pinch it because the air's not going to come out. You should know how to work one of these. Pinch it, get the air coming out of it. That's just for the headrest. And I had a little air in this, so I can take that out. Okay. And I'm just kind of curious how long it's going to take for this air to go out. Now, I've got the top one off, unscrewed right now, but once you get done, you're going to have that one screwed, the top one. If you just undo the top one, no air is really going to come out. There's a little rubber baffle in there. You can just keep that one screwed on if you want, and undo the bottom one. Just reach down in there, the whole thing unscrewed. I was going to leave the single one pumped up and put that in the car, but they're going to have all their towels and all kinds of stuff in there. So I'm going to undo the other one too, because it doesn't take very long to blow it up. Okay. This is plenty. I'm not going to do everything just perfect on this, but now I can throw the whole thing in the car, just like that. In fact, that'll get more of the air out right there. But trust me, if you go over some sharp rocks, I don't care what kind of rubber raft you have, you're probably going to have a rip. And I feel sorry for you if you're going to get a rip in yours, because I don't care what kind of repair kits you have along the way, it's going to be waterlogged, and at that point, you would have to get a pump. I mean, if you've done this before, and if you have any inkling that you're going to get a rip, you're going to need to get a different pump than this one. This one gets plugged into your cigarette lighter, and they also have other pumps there. We could have gotten a manual one with the pump on it, or you do this kind of thing. And then if you get a rip, take the repair kit with you, take your pump with you, and you'll probably be able to fix it while you're on the river. Okay? Told you not to unscrew the top one, and there I did unscrew the top one. This is the single inner tube. It doesn't take much of anything to get this air out of here. And I can just, like that, do the rest of it. Okay, all ready to go rafting down the river. All right. You know, that wasn't as hard as I thought everything was going to be. I'm glad I did a little dry run before Mommy takes these down the river. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.